On this question, we're going to actually just take our data from these box plots. Remember, the box plot gives us the 5-number summary. Each one of the lines is one of our 5-number summary. So for the A part, we're asked to find the 5-number summary for CPAs. We see the first line starts there at 30. The next line along the way is the first quartile, and that's at $40,000. The median goes quite a ways, and the median is going to be at 75. And then the third quartile is going to happen at 90. And then the largest salary, the maximum, is 100,000 in that set of data. So it's spread out. There's our 5 numbers. Remember, each one of these includes 25% of the data. 75, there's 50% of the data below, 50% above, so forth and so on. For the B question, we want to do the same thing, the 5-number summary, but this time for actuaries. So the minimum bar here for the actuaries is 40,000. The first quartile goes quite a ways, where there is actually 75,000. We look to the next, the median is at 90,000, and it's just sort of tell you the median salary is higher. So maybe you would want to be an actuary rather than being a CPA as far as salary-wise. Then the third quartile is at 95, but once you start making the money, it doesn't go up too much more. And then at the max, it looks like about 110 to me. It goes beyond the scale, but 110,000 at the top end. Okay. The C question asks us to do a comparison. We've got Kendra, who makes she makes the median salary for an actuary. So median is right here. She makes 90. Kelsey makes the first quartile for a CPA, so she's making 40. So to answer this question, who makes more? Well, Kendra, let's write that down. She makes 90,000. Kelsey, she or he makes 40,000, first quartile. And what's the difference between those two? 50,000. So Kendra makes $50,000 more than Kelsey. Okay. And while we're at it, I just decided to go ahead and throw in 22 because it refers to this box plots. So it says, what percentage of actuaries make more than the median salary of a CPA? So the median of a CPA we've looked up already is 75. So now we're looking at what percent of the actuaries make more than that. Well, 75 matches up. That's the first quartile. So there's 25% below that amount, leaving 75% above. So you see how these divide, each of these 5-number summary divides the data up into 25% segments. So, so for this one, let me use a little different color. Let's go here. Just go that this is the median up here. This is Q1. Since those match up, that there are 75% that would be higher than 75% make more than 75,000. There's a comparison that you could see. So if you love being a CPA, go ahead and do it. If you're doing it for the money, you might want to consider looking at actuarial science.